it has all these multiple settings. So over here, I can come back and just like we did previously, so we've changed the color settings, so we can just override that again. So again, I'm going to double click on canvas, and I'm just going to say, well, for the first one, let's do orange again, and let's just unify that. So I'm going to do color dot by ARGB, and I'm going to do 0, and I'm going to do 255, 165, and 0. I'm going to end the line with a semicolon and close the parentheses. So it looks something like this. So this should return a color. And I believe this is orange. I'm not 100% positive. We'll see in a second. I don't remember all the colors from top of my head by the ARGB values, but this is something that you'll get used to while working with Dynamo. So this was a cut color, I believe, cut fill color that we've been overriding in our view templates. So we had 2, blue and pink, and now we're overriding it back to orange. And just to make sure that we overriding the correct view template, I'm just gonna test this for element.name node. I just want to see really quickly what's the name. Okay, so it's the first one, fire rating filter, so that's the 1 hour rated filter, I believe. So we're gonna override that to orange. So these are our graphic settings that we can plug in. And the 2 views that we're using, just 2 view templates that we're using over here, we can override those all at once just by plugging that in. So let's just jump into Dynamo real quickly and let's see what happened there. Something's not really happening the way it's supposed to. Let's just check this out really quickly. So the pattern is being overridden properly. Let's just click on our view template and investigate this a little bit more really quickly. So the pattern is being override the color that we specified, but the cut pattern isn't being specified, it's being set to default value. And this is happening because, just like I mentioned in the first session, when we come over here and look at our visibility override settings, remember how I mentioned that you can reset all the overrides if you just feed in and kind of empty override settings node into our graphic settings input? So this is exactly what's happening here. We only overrode the fill color, but we haven't specified the fill pattern itself, which has to be a solid color basically. So if we just drop this down and look for solid fill and also override our fill pattern, this will reset our settings just how we want them. So let's just minimize this really quickly and you can see that yes, this indeed worked just like we anticipated. So now for both of these view templates, let's look at our filters overrides and you can see that yes, the pattern color has been changed to orange for this view template, and then a pattern color for this has also been changed to orange. And you can visualize this. I mean, if I had more view templates over here and multiple different graphic settings for each one of them, which kind of would have been confusing on multiple plans. So this is just a really great and quick way of unifying those settings. So now I can have architectural plan template on this and it looks the same as this view, which has architectural plan 2 view template on this. So this could be a big time saver on a very large project. So I appreciate you staying with me this long. There's going to be a session 4 coming up, and in that next session I want to talk about some more about view templates, but this time we're going to be talking about no more view filters. We're going to be talking about categories and unifying category overrides across multiple view templates. So most of it is going to be very similar to what we just did right now. And then at the very end, we're going to look at how to set visibility graphics for categories in the view templates. So thank you for watching.